Good Friday evening, everyone. It is the last day of May. We're going into the weekend with nice weather here. As we go into tomorrow, though, we have a chance of storms late in the day. The good thing is we'll get plenty of dry weather tomorrow before the storms hit. So if you have plans tomorrow, just know the evening will be impacted by some scattered storms in the area. And then Sunday, we're looking at sunshine, dry, and pleasant weather. So that is some great news. Plans for Sunday, your weather is going to be great here. So here's the forecast looking ahead. You can see tomorrow, likelihood of storms here as we go into late in the afternoon and evening. Looking at the latest forecast data, we'll show some storms starting to work in around 4, 5, 6 p.m. a scattered chance, and then a better chance as we go towards 8, 9 to about 11 tomorrow evening with scattered storms working through the region. So just be aware of that. It won't storm the whole evening, but they will be in the area as we go into tomorrow night. But this front will clear us out Sunday and cool us down to 70 degrees for the high Sunday, sunshine, a few clouds, temperatures in the 40s, 47 degrees Monday morning. So we're going to start next week with some cool and crisp weather here. 73 Monday, 79 by Tuesday. We'll keep Monday and Tuesday dry, so we have 3 days with no rain chance in the forecast. It's been a while since we've had that. And then by the middle of the week, we get back to our stormier pattern here with storm chances daily from Wednesday through Friday. High temperatures pretty consistent too. Temperatures will actually average out right at the normal for the early part of June. Thank you for watching this update. Have a good weekend.